Okay, so today we're going to do long division. We start with the multiples of 25, which is 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, and we're going to stop there. So you put a 0 above the 8 and a 0 below it. Take that away, which is 87. The 87 goes between 75 and 100. So you bring down the 75, take it away from 87, which is 12. Bring down the 6, and look how many times 126 goes in the 25 times tables. It goes in between 125 and 150. So you take away 100, and you take away 100. You take away 125 to 126, which is 1. Then you draw a point 0.
You drag down the 0, and then you get 10. You still can't... You bring down the 5, sorry. So you bring down the... You bring down the 5, and then you see that still does not, 15 does still not go into it. So you put 0 there above the 5, above the 6, sorry, above the 5, and then you put a decimal point. You see how much times you bring down the 0, which fits into 150, and then you see how much times it fits in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which fits in 6 times. So your answer would be 350.6.